Welcome to this amazing short tutorial where we are going to draw this beautiful vector orange in Illustrator. So let's get started. Draw two circles using the ellipse tool. Select both circles and align them in the center. Select the inner circle and choose its color to orange. Select the inner circle, then choose the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle shape on the orange circle and adjust its length a little longer from the center. Select the rectangle shape and choose its color to white. Select the rotate tool and place the little blue arrow on the bottom center of the rectangle shape. Press Alt from the keyboard and left-click on the mouse. Choose the rotation to 30 and click Copy. Press Ctrl+D to repeat the action. Select all, right-click on the mouse and press Group to make a group. Scale down the shape pressing Shift. Then shrink it a little from the sides. Now draw a new circle by pressing the Shift command. Use the line tool and draw a line between the center of the circle. Click on the Windows menu and select the Pathfinder option. Select the line and circle and then press the divide from the Pathfinder option. Select and delete the other half of the circle. Scale down the shape and choose its color to orange. Right-click on the mouse, then Arrange and choose Send to Back. Select all and rotate the shape. Choose the half circle and make a copy using Alt. Change its color to a different orange shade. Scale it down and adjust its position on the circle. That's it, your vector orange is ready. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Keep visiting for more informative videos and tutorials.